Humanity lived for thousands of years under monotheistic religions, and for 4,000 years under the three major Abrahamic religions. Religion has never posed a threat on the human race. In fact, it presented humanity with higher ethical values that both believers and disbelievers could not dispute. It established the groundwork for various civilizations, to the extent that we can easily assume that all the goodness in this earth is in fact the outcome of these religions. Religion laid down the epistemic, behavioral, and value-based foundation for the purpose of humanity on earth. The countries which embrace these monotheistic religions are still, till this day, demonstrating a cultural diversity that has accommodated their counterparts and provided them with a protective roof based on the tenets of these very monotheistic faiths. Yet, when some of the countries came close to atheism for just near to 1 century, the whole of humanity was hurled on the very verge of annihilation. The history of humanity has not known any system more dangerous than the atheistic. Their pogroms in the gulags of the Soviet Union at the hands of the atheist Lenin, the genocide at the hands of Nazi Germany, the ethnic cleansing of almost a quarter of the Cambodian people at the hand of atheist Pol Pot, massacring 52 million of the Chinese people in the so-called Cultural Revolution at the hand of Mao Zedong, the advent of the League of Militant Atheists in Europe, which led to the shutting down of more than 42,000 religious institutions, churches, and mosques, and the killing of thousands of religious men. All of these are nothing but downright atheistic secretions. The two major world wars, WW1 and WW2, were both secular wars ruled by the atheistic perspectives and the fantasies of having a pure human race, the result of which was the cleansing of almost 5% of the world population and throwing both the winner and the loser more than a third of a century behind. The philosophers even placed a urinal in the middle of Paris to symbolize the end of civilization. The atheistic wars have left behind arsenals of atomic weaponry, enough to wipe out humanity manifold. The simplest reading of the history of the 20th century wars would reveal how pathetic atheism is. It's precipitated in the overall mind of humanity a notion that the annihilation of mankind is a probability in any future battle. This is what we got from atheism